welcome back to my channel. KG stands for Kylee G, and today we're going to be making a paper squishy. A lot of you have been requesting me to do a paper squishy, and I'm going to be doing a paper squishy today. So I got my pillow with me, my snuggable pillow. Yeah. So today, yeah. So basically, let's move on. Actually, so. Oh no! Our duct tape fell like under our bed. Okay. I got the duct tape. Okay. We got some duct tape. We're going to need some black duct tape. So I'm going to just show you the things you're going to need to make a paper squishy. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously a sheet of paper. This is also optional. You can use this kind of sheet of paper. I just pulled it out of my notebook right here. And then tape. I got 2 scissors, so you can use any kind of scissors. Or a knife, but you gotta be careful around knives. And a bag. And I got some cotton balls. So anyway, guys, let's just go on with the video. And basically, what you're going to need to do is first thing I'm gonna use the little scissors for this. I'm gonna cut little tiny holes in this bag. So that when the squishy does it, it can do air out. It can push air out. So it's actually use the big scissors because the little scissors are not. So you put little holes in it. So yeah, guys. So I cut little holes in it. Now you can look in the bag and there's like holes cut in it. Like I can honestly like stick my hand through it. So like, look at it, guys. You guys can see my hand is coming through. So that's a hole. Anyways, guys, so you see this plastic bag. We're gonna kind of like crumble it up. And we're gonna make it like this. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of take all the ends and then we're gonna tape it. We're gonna tape it. Of course, we gotta tape it. Come on, we have to use it. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here too, and I will be right back and need to go grab something. Okay, so I got back, so anyways, yeah. So since it's like this, I gotta cover up all the green as I can, so it cannot show the green. Get it now. I got it, finally. The tape is actually optional, so it's already coming. It's kind of slow rising, so yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's my mom in the bathroom too. She's. Oh wait, no, she's vacuuming. You cannot hear her. She's vacuuming. I put two tapes, and this is gonna be the bottom. So now I'm going to make the face of my squishy. So I'm gonna have to outline it. It's that big. It's half of a circle. So it's basically like. Anyways, yeah, guys. So basically, I'm gonna draw the face for this. So. With a black marker, and the black marker is down here. I don't know why it's always there. So, anyways, guys, so yeah. So guys, I'm making the eyes now with a little potato. I'm gonna show you guys. So, and they're super cute. And yeah, I'm gonna get my marker packet. Oh, it's so hard to get it. Come on, get it. Oh my god. Okay, so I got the colors I needed. I'm shading it light green. It's like a neon green too. It's super cute. It's really cute, guys. So, okay, so this is how it looks now with the light neon green. Next, the pink. It goes to the nose. Next, newer colors. So, yeah. So, now I'm just going to cut it out. So, let's cut it out. It's very easy to cut it out, but if you are one of my little, like 4 or 5 little subscribers, please do not try to cut right now. You're going to need parenting supervision, so you don't cut like your hand open. Oh, I did it so wrong, guys. I'm gonna make a bigger one too, guys. So, yeah, that was a really bad mistake. So yeah, we're gonna make a big one. It's a silver one. It's a big eye and tiny eye. It's very cute. So it's not even at all. Anyways, guys, so yeah, I'm gonna put my. I use this Sharpie for this. I know it's just so adorable, and I really want to use this, but I'm gonna use it for another squishy. So a very tiny squishy. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it now. It kind of looks like it vanished. So if there is any erupts, it won't matter, guys. But I'm just gonna say that, like, that's my brother, that's my mom, like that. I'm gonna introduce you to YouTube. Cutting it a little bit small just to make sure. But I'm sure this will fit. Like, I'm pretty sure. That, guys, it will fit, so. It fits! Hallelujah, guys, it fits. And we're gonna add color into this, guys. Like, don't worry. No, I kind of drew on myself, so not on my watch. I added pink because pink is my favorite color. And I'm also going to add the neon green. I'm going to, like, shake it up because the ink is kind of, like, running out, too. I'm going to do this really fast. Go, go, go! Because the ink's kind of running out, too, guys. So, yeah. Do you like this neon green? Anyway, so yeah, that's what it looks like. You can barely like see the neon green. Like, it's a scribble scrabbled everywhere, guys. So now what I'm gonna do, I can't really. Okay, so what I'm going to do. This is really sticky duct tape. That's good. I'm gonna kind of fold it in half the duct tape. Hold it with my fingers. Put it like this. This is really bad sticky duct tape. It's very good, guys. It's just not very secured. I mean, well, I meant like it's very sticky. So, anyways, yeah. I'm gonna kind of duct tape it around. So it gets a little bit better. Duct tape around. Oh, I have to cover up the eye almost. I really want an eye bloom strawberry. So in the next video, I'm going to make an eye bloom squishy. Like at stores, I don't really want to buy any. When I have the supplies at my house, like, right? That's a long piece of tape. So yeah, let's just cover it up. Like, it's barely gonna look at it, so, like, I mean, because it definitely worked for me. So when I cut up that, now we forgot all about like the cotton ball. I'm not gonna forget about the cotton ball. I'm gonna take a little bit of cotton ball. I'm gonna like take 3, of course. I'm gonna stick it in, cause like we need cotton balls to make it squishy, like, right? Like, am I right? I am right. Okay, and yeah. So, yeah. And probably if someone comes in, I'm going to edit that all out. Hopefully that doesn't come out, because I don't really know how to edit. I only know how to edit on my phone, which I'm making a video on my phone. This is just a camera. You guys know camera, you tap camera, and then you like, type video? Yeah, it's making a video. Okay, well, that was a big mistake. I kind of missed. No, cotton ball fell out. Okay. Get in there. Close it. Now we're going to take this side, since the other side won't work, and we're not going to cut this side. I think when I'm like older, squishies are going to be like a rare thing to me. Squishy making is going to be probably rare too. So don't forget that too. And yeah. Oh man, how come the squishy keeps falling? I mean, not the squishy. I'm just doing that. Now I'm going to add some white tape. Okay guys, so ouch! It was so hard. I let the cotton ball fly out. Like no one can see like it coming out. Anyways, guys, yeah, my mom just came in, so yeah. That's what I said, so yeah. Like, it's okay, guys. Anyways, my brother has been on YouTube already, so this is like my second time. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm trying to get this tape on, but for some reason it won't stick. I'm gonna try this one again. Come on, little boy. Come on. I'm gonna take a little piece of duct tape. Okay, I mean a little piece of duct tape. I'm just that right there. And I'm gonna like take, because you don't eat a whole chunk of wasting it. And there you go, guys. I made a paper squishy. It's amazing. Okay, guys, so that's how you make a paper squishy with using a bag and cotton balls. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, guys. I love you. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and give it a like up. So, bye, guys. Love you. Peace out.